Yo, what's up? What it do is Wahoo18. I went to a tour of my Airbnb in Dallas. I really like this place. It was really cool. I'm tired, but I'm gonna do a quick tour for you just so you can see it. This is the main entrance. The house is easy to find because you're right on the corner. As soon as you enter, you got a room on your left. Yeah, room on your left. I don't know what kind of bed that is, but it works. I slept there. You got a closet right here. Got a pretty big bathroom. Standing shower stall. Got the itty bitty TV. Go down there, that's your garage. And there's 3 stories. It's a lot of walking upstairs. You come in here, you got a little office area. You got a restroom in there. This is the kitchen. It's a nice counter. You got fridge, oven, microwave, all that stuff. There's a sofa bed in there. You sleep on that. Got a big screen TV. Welcome another stair flight. This is a master bedroom. Sorry, we're packing up, so I'm just trying to make this quick. This is another bedroom right here. This is the most awesome bedroom right here. Oh my god, there really is a bed in here. But yeah, this closet is big enough. You can put somebody in here. This is a master restroom. You got 2 sinks. Another big shower stall. Toilet. Where we going? Alright, this is the other room. You got a bed right there. You got 2 bunk beds, which is pretty cool. You can clean your shit right there. You got another flight of stairs. So fucking work out. Got storage in there. They got some extra chairs and whatnot. It's pretty cool. Then you go out to the rooftop, man. This is the best part, dude. The rooftop. This rooftop is legit. You got a bunch of chairs out there to sit and chill. Got the little swinging thing right here. They got the grill. They even provide a propane. So you know it's propane, man. You just gotta bring your meat. But this is badass. The view. The view is badass, dude. It's chilling on the rooftop, man. It's chilling on the rooftop. Man, I do recommend you to bring a foldable table, because you know when you're grilling, you're gonna need a place to put your meat down. And this place is awesome, dude. Alright, man, sorry for that quick review. I know it wasn't, it didn't show everything, but hopefully you get the base of the house. It's awesome. I recommend staying here. I paid between $700 to $750. Fit by like 15 of us, man, for 2 nights. 2 nights, man. $700 to $750. I forgot what the exact cost was. I'll put the link in my description. If you like the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Peace. Oh, one more thing. The hosts are cool people, man. Easy communication. Easy. They were easy to deal with. They're cool, so I had no issues. Another thing, you do have to pay Dallas state local occupancy tax. I don't know what that is, but I looked it up. It is something legit, so it will be a little bit higher than what Airbnb listed. You do have to pay a tax per person for hotel fees or something like that. I'm not too sure what it is, but it's a legit thing. So just a heads up. We are in Dallas.